Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. If your Windows 11 keeps showing that scary blue screen of death errors, so don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix any kind of BSOD errors step by step, no matter what the stop code says. Okay, so when your system crashes, note the stop code showing in the blue screen at the bottom of your screen. Okay, like memory management error, driver error, not less or equal error, or inaccessible boot device error. Okay, most BSOD are caused by driver or corrupted files or hardware issue. So let's get into the solution. So first thing, you need to update or roll back your drivers. To do this, guys, hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager, guys, you need to expand display adapters. Right click on it and simply update the driver. If the crash has started after a driver update, select properties, go to driver, and here you can get the option roll back driver. Okay, after doing this, guys, now you need to expand network adapter as well. Same thing you need to do here with your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi driver. And last driver is this, guys, storage controller. Extend this. Same, you need to right click on it. First you need to update it. Okay, and if the problem is not solving through update, go to properties, go to driver and roll back your driver. In case the problem is not solving with this help of method, guys, you need to uninstall your driver from your PC. So just right click on it and uninstall it from here. For all network adapters, display adapters and storage controllers. After doing this, guys, restart your PC one time. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall that uninstalled driver by itself automatically, and check your problem was solved or not. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to type command prompt and open the command prompt in run as administrator tab, and here you need to type one command, sfc space /scan now, and then hit enter from your keyboard. So it will scan your corrupted files and repair all system file that often causes blue screen error. Okay, so this will take some time to complete this process. After the process was successfully completed, at that time only you need to close the command prompt and then try the next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to type Windows memory diagnostic. Okay, and then hit enter from your keyboard. From here you need to select restart now and check for problem. After selecting this, guys, your PC will restart and test the RAM. If error are found, reset or replace the RAM model. Okay, so just remove the RAM from your PC and reset it. Okay, after doing this, guys, your problem will solve. In case the problem is continuously showing on your PC, now you can try the next method. Now you need to update your PC. To update your PC, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update and just click on check for updates. If the update is available, first of all you need to update your PC. After updating, many BSOD are fixed through Windows update only. Okay, so after updating, guys, go to advanced option, go to optional updates. From here you need to select driver updates. Okay, if there is a pending driver update is showing in this list, you need to select and download and install it. After doing this, guys, it will 100% fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to type msconfig. Go to service tab, select hide all Microsoft services like this, and then simply click on disable all, and then go to startup tab, click on open task manager. From here you need to disable all unnecessary apps running here. Right click on it and disable it, right click on it and disable it. After doing this, guys, close this, restart your PC. BSOD error disappear, one of those apps was causing it. Okay, still the problem is facing on your PC continuously. At that time, guys, you can try the last and final method. Now you need to reset or reinstall your Windows last resort. Okay, to do this, guys, once again open the Windows settings, go to system, scroll down and find out recovery option. Open it and here you can get the option reset. So just click on reset. If you want to keep your file safe, you need to select the keep my file safe. Okay, so just select for first option and follow the on-screen process instruction to reset your PC. And that's it. You now fix the blue screen of death errors on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more simple Windows fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.